Killer Tower, zip 41, Bay on Piers, got information Delta, looking for bridge in Kearney.
Zip 41 there, Cross Boston Creek, clearing your class Bravo Airspace via the bridge route. And as published, please, I do have traffic on final for runway 11, so keep it at 300, altimeter 3002.
As published at 300 and Squawking Creek, cleared in, zip 41 for Trump.
Alright, I'm done filming. I want to just relax. Geeked out too much. I love your route, dude. Look at that. It's like, yep. 500 helicopter. Yeah, I got it. So, you say JFK from here?
Yeah, we're gonna fly right next to it.
Okay.
It's somewhere to our left, right over there. You can see actually planes and whatnot. So what we're doing is we're gonna fly that shore, and we got to go down to 500 so we don't impede with landing traffic.
Copy. I saw that. 501 to 7,000.
It's pretty cool to be able to do this. Like
Cessna 766, contact Kennedy Tower 123.9.
1239, 12766.
Endeavor 5408, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff.
13 right, clear for takeoff there, 5408.
JetBlue 1538, Kennedy Tower, 13 right, line of await.
13 right, line of await, JetBlue 1538.
JetBlue 53, contact near departure, good day.
Over departure, JetBlue 53.
Kennedy Tower 12766 over the Verrazano 1500.
November 12766, Kennedy Tower, Kennedy altimeter 3005, say request.
3005, like take the Long Island South Shore eastbound 12766.
Cessna 766, you're cleared eastbound along the shorelines, maintain VFR at or below 500.
At or below 500 eastbound South Shore 12766.
766, you're looking for a handoff on the east side, you checking out?
Handoff 12766.
Roger.
Yeah, this place is flooded. Not supposed to be like this. This is probably from the Hurricane Aaron, if I had to guess.
Oh, I think I see JFK Tower.
Yeah,
211.
sure. Yes.
Sticks up really high. Nice. Look at that skyline. We just dip the wing a little bit to the right. A little roll to the right.
JetBlue 2291, contact near departure, good
Yeah,
day.
look at that. It's dope. So cool, dude. Isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a lot of people. This doesn't have rudder trim, huh?
I never use it on any aircraft.
When you do long flights, good to trim it out. That's cool. There used to be like, I
Got
don't know.
a guy, 12 o'clock plus 200.
Yep, look.
7 Bravo.
Looking.
Plus 100.
Brickyard 5699, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff.
13 right, clear for takeoff, Brickyard 5699.
Cal 982 heavy, Kennedy Tower, 13 right, line up and wait.
Up the right, line up and wait, got 992 heavy.
He's above the water.
Is he?
Yep, he's toward 12 o'clock, correct fast.
Oh, you got him. Maybe not him. That's not him. All right. All right, correcting to the left.
Yeah, he's over the water somewhere, plus 200. Oh, I got him in sight, 12 o'clock. Got him in sight, stay here. He's coming at us, I got him in sight.
Cessna 766, there's traffic at your 11 o'clock in about a mile and a half. Altitude indicated 300, type unknown, appears westbound.
The banner tower?
Yep.
12766 in sight.
Cal 982 heavy, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 13 right, got 982 heavy.
Air France 1 uniform heavy, Kennedy Tower, caution wing 3 room, turn 13 right, line up and wait.
That's right, red line on Burnways, Air France 1 uniform in.
Brickyard 5699, contact near departure, good day.
Clear departure, Brickyard 5699, good day.
It's Corona.
Throw us a beer.
Excellent avoidance, brother.
You picked them out. Excellent co-piloting skills.
Oh, look up. JFK, I love you. I gotta get that shot.
Someone taking off right there in front of us.
It's like final approach, dude.
Yeah, they're going this direction too.
Oh, that's freaking cool. Oh, low battery. I wonder why. There's a lot of AVgeek going on here. Plane spotting. The best way to plane spot is to be up there.
Imagine having like a nice DSLR getting a shot of him.
Oh, dude, there's some geeks. Big time. Oh, dude, there's parallel runways. Oh, that's dope.
Well, are you sure? Oh, yeah, you're right. The one on the left, that's a runway or not a taxiway? Yeah, there is a both.
Cal 982, heavy contact near departure. Good day.
Oh, dude, look at him going up.
Good day.
Air France 1 uniform, heavy, runway 13 right,
Who's
clear
gonna
for
win?
takeoff.
You take off 13 right, Air France 1 uniform.
American 15, Kenny Tower, caution, turbulence, runway 13 right, line for weight.
We're gonna get wind turbulence under him.
15, and we're given a heading of 185 on departure. Is that still valid?
Affirmative.
Oh, that's freaking cool. We're racing him, dude.
I know.
We're faster than a big boy. Look at that, Cessna beat you. Woo woo.
That's the best you got? Yeah.
What you got in there?
Come on. You can do
What you
better.
got? Yeah.
Nothing on us.
Oh, that was cool. I lost him. Oh, there he comes back in. We're keeping up with him.
Surprising. I don't get how that happened.
He's letting us win.
Maybe. He's not even really climbing either.
We got another target, 12 o'clock plus minus
River
300.
766, traffic is
Got him in sight.
at your 4 to 5 o'clock in about a mile and a half. He's at 500 feet. He appears eastbound. He's doing about 150 knots, type of nose.
12766 looking for that traffic 4 or 5 o'clock, and we have a banner tow in sight at 1 o'clock.
Thank you. Air France 1 uniform,
Oh, I
heavy
got him in
contact near
sight.
departure. Good day.
He's an amp tip. Amp tip.
American 15, runway 13.